In this video, you'll learn how to paste an image into Notion. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully upload and embed images in your Notion workspace. Start by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL notion.so. Once the page loads, you will see the home page of Notion, which features options to log in or sign up if you do not already have an account. Next, if you have an existing account, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will prompt you to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, click the login button again. If the login is successful, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. Once you are in your workspace, locate the page where you want to add the image. Click on the title of your page to ensure you are editing the correct document. The title area will be highlighted, allowing you to see where you will be working. After that, click on a blank space within the page to ensure you are in the editing mode. This step is crucial as it allows you to insert new content, including images. You should notice a blinking cursor indicating that you can start typing or pasting. Type /image in the blank space. This command opens a menu that provides various options related to images. Notion will automatically suggest options based on your input, making it easier to select the right action. Next, click on the image option from the list that appears. This will open a new dialog box where you can choose how to upload or embed your image. Pay attention to the options presented as they will guide you in the next steps. Click on the upload button within the dialog box. This action will prompt your computer to open a file selection window. At this point, ensure you have the image file ready to upload and check that your internet connection is stable for a smooth upload process. Then click on Upload File from the selection options. This will allow you to browse through your computer's files. If your image file is large, consider the time it may take to upload depending on your internet speed and the size of the file. Navigate to the location on your desktop where the image is saved. Once you find the image, click on it to select it, then click Open to initiate the upload process. You may see a loading indicator while the image is being uploaded, which confirms that the action is in progress. After the upload is complete, click on a blank space again to ensure that you can continue editing. To insert another image, repeat the /image command. This will allow you to add more images as needed. Select image once more from the menu, then click on embed link if you have a URL for another image that you want to include. This will open a text field where you can paste the link of the image. Type or paste the link of the image you wish to embed and accessible. After entering the link, click on Emed Image to add it to your page. The image should now appear in your Notion workspace, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.